Not every day you can find Italian chef dish for 2 diners at cost of $3 and 5 minutes of preparation. But today it's happening. We are going to prepare creamy, delicious and super easy to make cherry tomatoes and garlic pasta. And the best part, it's completely vegan. Let's start by cutting 6 cloves of garlic into thin slices. Next, take 15 fresh basil leaves, stack them from largest to smallest, roll them up and then slice them into stripes. Now let's take 15 red cherry tomatoes and 7 yellow cherry tomatoes and cut them into half. Boil water in a small pot and wait until the water starts to boil. Add a pinch of coarse salt and a drizzle of vegetable oil. The oil and the salt will prevent the pasta from sticking to each other. I recommend using Italian pasta made with premium durum wheat. Add half a package of pasta to the pot, cook to al dente perfection following the package instructions. In the meantime, heat the pan over medium heat. When the pan is heated, add a generous amount of olive oil and let the oil heat up for half a minute. Add the sliced garlic, and if you want to add exciting kick to the dish, add a teaspoon of ground chili. Fry the garlic a little bit until it's browned slightly. Add the tomatoes to the pan and then add 1 spoon of dry or fresh oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything well and then let it cook until the tomatoes become soft on both sides. Now give those tomatoes a gentle mash until you get juicy and aromatic sauce. When the pasta turns into al dente, turn off the heat and drain the pasta, but keep aside 1/3 cup of water from the cooking pot. Add the pasta to the pan, sprinkle the basil over the pasta, add the water we saved from the pasta and mix everything well. Let the pasta cook in the sauce for another minute and we'll get pasta in thick and delicious sauce. To add a creamy texture and enrich the pasta with protein, add 2 teaspoons of brewer's yeast. Mix the pasta well, transfer the pasta to the plate, add a few basil leaves and serve the dish.